Every day is summer berry cookie bars. Here's what you'll need to prepare this recipe from Good Enough, a Cookbook by Leanne Brown. The first step is to combine your mixed berries with a bit of granulated sugar, some cornstarch, and lemon zest. Give the mixture a good stir to make sure that your berries are evenly coated with the sugar and the cornstarch. And then set those berries aside. In a mixing bowl, combine the melted butter, some more granulated sugar, and a bit of vanilla extract. Whisk until well combined, and then add an egg, and continue whisking until the mixture is smooth and lightened. In a separate bowl, combine the flour, baking soda, and salt, and using a wooden spoon, stir the flour mixture into your butter, sugar, egg mixture. The cookbook describes this more as a dough that you would press into your parchment-lined pan, but as you can see, I ended up with a batter. So I spread the mixture into an 8-inch square baking pan that I lined with parchment paper. And then I topped that batter with my sugar and cornstarch coated berries. Bake for 50 to 60 minutes at 350 degrees or until the crust is golden and set and the berries have thickened. Cool in the pan on a rack to room temperature, and then use that parchment overhang to lift your bars out of the pan and then cut them into squares. I hope you enjoyed this video. For the complete recipe, please visit us at arkansasonline.com/cooking.